Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can simply enable taxes in Woocommerce. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here in Woocommerce, and then what you want to do is just simply click on settings, scroll down below, and you're gonna see here enable taxes, and you just want to click here enable taxes and calculations. Rates will be configurable and taxes will be calculated during checkout. And this is what they're looking for. So you can also like change the currency here if you want to. Then you get like payments here, so definitely click save changes. Then you get like, I see the text here now. Calculate text based on, I'll just calculate text based on shipping text class. You can round text that adds up, additional excluding. And yeah, this is where you can set up like taxes. Have a great day and goodbye.